Hey YouTube, GFALF14 back here with another video, and today we're going to look at the Jaybird Tarah's wireless sport headphones. So I got these from Best Buy, and they were on sale for I believe $79.99. Original price $99.99 on the Jaybird website. So I know it's Valentine's Day weekend, so these are going to be on sale this whole week pretty much. So let's take a look around the box. So you see, it says you get 6 hours of playtime. They're sweat and waterproof. You get a sport fit. Let's see, it's designed for athletes, built for future. So premium sound with custom EQ. I know they have the app that I'll be using on my iPhone to change the settings on all the on the genre of music I'm listening to. So music and calls, obviously they have Google fast pairing. I know that, so they do not. I know they don't have the Apple W1 chip, so you won't be able to pair that fast with this. But there's a Jaybird app for the customizing the sound, so you can get on the App Store, Google Play. So yeah, I feel like it's a smaller box than, I had the X3, and I actually went through a few pairs of them, because I actually lost 2 of them, so it feels like a smaller box than that. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so let me just have to wait. So the color I got was I want to say it's like royal blue or some kind of, I don't know, it looks like a navy blue on the box at least. I'm not really sure which the actual name of the color is. I'll put it in the title of the video. But yeah, let's go ahead and crack it open. So come out with a knife right here. So I'm cut it right here. Just gonna put that back. Take these off. Alright, so yeah, this packaging feels a lot different from X3 already, the Jaybird X3. So, as you can see, this is a black box, Jaybird branding right there. So the serial number, information on the bottom. You open it up, it says designed for athletes, built for adventure. So some get started information. It's pretty self-explanatory. You probably already know how to hook up some Bluetooth headphones. So you get the little charging thing, earplugs, of course, and of course the headphones. Let's take a look at those in a minute. You get the quick start guide, some other information, and yeah, that's everything you get. So yeah, it's pretty interesting that everything's blue, even the little charging dock thing. So pretty cool in this nice little bag. So yeah, let me go around to that for you. So yeah, this charger will not work with the X3s and X4. So why is it so crazy? Oh, there we go. And I know the Tarah Pro has a different charger, and it's like a magnet thing, but it's a nice little blue color on there too. So go ahead and take that out. This up. Put these up. Man. Oh yeah, it's all stuck to it. So yeah, these are all one piece, they're kind of like a glacier blue, like a transparent blue. They say they all have, the number, they have numbers on them too, if you can see. Like 1, 3, these are 1 and 3. The 2's already on there, a little clip thing for the back. Just headphones. Take them out of here. Yeah, I feel like these are a little maybe bigger. I don't know. I feel like this piece is maybe a little bigger than the X3. Not really sure. Let me get the remote. Feels nice in the hand. This cable. This little cinch clip thing. Jaybird brand. Take these off. Put on the ones. Yeah. Like a light blue. Right there. So just put that on. Yeah, it seems pretty nice. But one thing I will note, I mean, as you can see, you don't get the casing there, but I'm gonna be using probably my X2 case because that's the only hard shell case I really got. It's like this right here. I got my X2s, but it does not come with its own carrying case. So yeah, but there you go. Yeah, we'll see. These look a lot more nice in person. It's kind of like shiny, like I don't know, kind of like shine, like really, yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much everything you get in the box. So, yep. So once again, this is Ufela 14 here, the Jaybird Tarah unboxing in the blue colorway. Subscribe if you're new. I should be coming out with more videos soon. So leave a like, comment any questions if you guys have them. I'll be glad to answer. So yeah, peace out.